Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this trigonometric equation. We are asked to solve the equation sine of 2x plus pi divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Before we start solving this problem, there is something very important you need to consider. You have to consider the whole of this argument 2x plus pi divided by 3 as an angle. So the question you need to ask yourself is sine of what angle is equal to 1 divided by 2? And it is as simple as taking sine inverse of both sides, right? So let's do that. If you take sine inverse of the left hand side, you will be left with 2x plus pi divided by 3. And you have to take sine inverse of the other side, 1 divided by 2. And sine inverse of 1 divided by 2 is pi divided by 6. So we have 2x plus pi divided by 3 equal to pi divided by 6. Remember, sine is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So if you move to the second quadrant, you're going to obtain another angle, which if you take the sine of that angle, it shall give you 1 divided by 2. And how can we obtain that angle? Remember from our unit cycle, if you have a unit cycle like this, and it happens that this is pi divided by 6, which is this angle, definitely this angle right here in the second quadrant will be what? Pi divided by 6. And you know that this is pi, right? So what will be this angle from the standard position down to this terminal point? They will have the same sine ratio. And to obtain this angle, which is the bigger angle, you're going to subtract pi divided by 6 from pi, which is going to give us what? 5 pi divided by 6. So if you take sine of this angle and sine of this angle, you're going to get the same result. So we have two solutions, pi divided by 6 and 5 pi divided by 6. So we equally have another solution, 2x plus pi divided by 3, which is our angle, is equal to 5 pi divided by 6. You should remember that sine is periodic in every 2 pi. So by adding 2 pi, you're going to obtain another coterminal angle. So we're going to add multiples of this 2 pi. So we add 2 pi k, for which k is an integer. We do the same thing here, 2 pi k. So from these two equations, we are going to solve for x. Let me start from the first one. We are going to subtract pi divided by 3 from both sides. So we have 2x equal to pi divided by 6 minus pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi k. And we do the same thing here, 2x equal to 5 pi divided by 6 minus pi divided by 3, then plus 2 pi k. Let me simplify this. If you subtract pi divided by 3 from pi divided by 6, you're going to obtain negative pi divided by 6. So we have 2x equal to negative pi divided by 6, then plus 2 pi k. And the other equation, we have 2x equal to 5 pi divided by 6 minus pi divided by 3 will give us what? 3 pi divided by 6. Plus 2 pi k. Now let us divide both sides by 2 just to have the value of x. X here equal to negative pi divided by 12, then plus pi k if you divide both sides by 2. If you do the same thing here, you have x equal to 3 pi divided by 12 plus pi k. So these are the two solutions for this problem. But if you like, you can modernize it a little bit by taking the smallest positive angle right here by adding pi. If you do that, x will be equal to positive what? 11 pi divided by 12 plus pi k. And here you can reduce this to the lowest term because 3 can go into 12 4 times. So x will be equal to pi divided by 4 plus pi k. And these are the two solutions for this trigonometric equation for which k is an integer. Remember that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.